In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your bike if you've lost or if your key fob has been damaged. The first thing you'll need to know is your pin. If you've never written your pin down, then go ahead and stop the video and go have somebody kick you in the ass a few times. If you don't know what your pin number is and you've never changed it after you bought your bike, the dealership generally sets your pin as the last 5 digits of your VIN number. If there is a 0 in the last 5 digits of the VIN number, change the 0 to a 1. So say it's 70215, it would be 71215. We all have iPhones. In an iPhone, in your notes, you can actually take a picture. You can actually put your PIN number in a note with a picture. You can take a picture. It would be a good idea to go to your Harley Davidson service manual. It tells you step by step how to do this. Take a picture of that page and keep it in your phone. Okay, now that you've got your PIN number, you need to follow these steps, and you have to do it in a timely manner. If you wait more than 10 seconds once you get started, it will not work. It'll reset and you'll have to start all over again. So now that you've got your PIN number, let's get started. Okay, let's get started. First thing you do, turn it on. Turn the power switch on. As soon as you turn the power switch on, hit your left turn signal 1 time. You'll see a display come up with the number 1 flashing. Use your left turn signal to set your first code. Once you have your first code set, use your right turn signal, hit it 1 time. Your right turn signal, hit it 1 time. That moves the cursor over for your second digit. Set your second digit in your PIN. Hit your right turn signal 1 time. Go back to your left turn signal and set your third digit of your PIN. Go to your right turn signal to move it over to the 4th digit of your PIN. Go back to your left turn signal, set your 4th PIN number. Go back to your right turn signal, hit it 1 time, and set your final PIN number. Once you set your final PIN number, hit your right turn signal 1 time. That sends power and unlocks the bike. That's all you've got to do. Make sure you're in neutral, start the bike. One other thing I should mention that is if you've moved your bike and it is in alarm mode, in other words, if your front blinkers or back blinkers are blinking, that means it's in alarm mode. You have to wait till it resets. In order to reset it, you have to put your bike back on its side stand. Leave it on its side stand for a couple minutes and it'll reset so you can do this procedure. While it's doing that, this procedure will not work. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys found this informative or it helped you in some way. If you haven't seen my first couple videos where I try to make a GoPro fly, be sure to check those out. I think you'll find them pretty entertaining. I do have something lined up for my next video, and I think it's going to involve some of these. We might just go see how far we can shoot out with the 6.5 Creedmoor. Sounds like it could be some fun. So thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.